My name's Kevin Stadnyk. I'm from Canada, and I'm the co-founder and CEO of Obruta. We're developing the premier autonomous rendezvous, proximity operations, and docking technologies to build the foundation of the in-space economy. Over the past few years, I've had the chance to lead the team, test our systems on orbit, and contribute to making space applications safer and more autonomous. I first got into the space industry because, like many people, I wanted to be an astronaut, and I still do. I've always been fascinated with space, and after completing my master's degree studying novel methods for removing space debris from orbit, I looked to commercialize the technology alongside my co-founder, Dr. Kirk Hobble. We ultimately landed on a much bigger problem though: how to develop autonomous capabilities so spacecraft can safely and reliably interact with one another in orbit. And in doing so, we're looking now to enable capabilities such as in-space refueling, logistics, manufacturing, and all of that in addition to debris removal. Looking ahead, I want to help build the infrastructure that enables a sustainable and thriving in-space economy. I've dedicated my early career to this, and I'm working to bring all of these benefits back down to everyone here on Earth. So, see you in the SpaceVrse.